Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about the infinite scroll using the React observer. Okay, so here we are using the React intersection npm package. So that's the use for the whenever there is a viewport come into that one, so it will help you to just scroll down and it will helpful in the infinite scrolling. Okay, so you can see that they have done this package has a number of downloads. I will show you. Okay, and I'm the using of that one, and here you can see the number of downloads they have multiple figure downloads. Okay, and it's basically implementation of the React intersection observer API to tell you when an element enters the viewport. Okay, contains both hooks, render props, and the plain children. Okay, so this package I'm using for the infinite scrolling using the React intersection observer. Let's get started. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment on my video. Let's see. So here you can see, so we have the code. Now when I do the scroll, loading more data, it will go with the next data, then again loading more data. Okay, again the scroll, loading more data. Okay, then we will scroll, loading more data will come, and then no more data. Okay, because the data is 100 records and it's already fetched everything. Okay, also I can check one more thing, load more data, network. So we will make it like XR. Okay, this scroll, that scroll, 100 records. Okay, response. Now the product is empty, no more data. Here you can see products empty and we have already added everything. Okay, so let's dive into the code level how we have implemented this. Okay, so first of all we have a React use state, use effect, use callback from the React. Then we are using the use in view from the React intersection observer, and this is the card component where the card we have made the design one. Is it is there because it's not coming up like this, so it's not showing. Okay, and here you can see the card component. So card, we have a title, description, and the image. So image style h2, and this we have already added the data that come from the cards. Okay, and here we have the styles for the card shape. Okay, you can see the styles, right, and export that card. Okay, next we have the app.js, so const app. So these are the initial states of the React. So data is loading, page has more data, and ref and the in view from the use in view, that is React intersection observer. Okay, so here we have a fetch data function where we have using the use callback, and if it is not in view, not in if it is not in view and there is a is loading and don't have the has more data, then return. Okay, if this condition is true, then move to the next one. Okay, if not true, according to that conditions. Okay, then set is loading to be true, and let's call the API of that one. API URL is this one. Okay, so this is a dummy JSON API that I'm using, where we have the limit and the skip. Okay, so here calling the API, if the response is okay, not okay, then we will throw an error that is failed to fetch the data. Okay, and then we have a new data, then we response.json. So whatever we have the data, we will put into the new data variable, and we will check that the product length, if it is 0, then set has more data to be false, and set is loading to be false. Reset the loading state when no more data is there, then return. Okay, after that we will set the data and set the page if the data is there with the new data dot products, and next move to the next page. Here we are setting the page also. If something goes wrong, that it will go with the catch block, and it says that the error fetching the data. Okay, and then set is loading to be false, and when it will trigger out with in view is loading page and has more data. Whenever there is any change in that of the variable, then it will run. Okay, then we will calling the use effect and call the fetch data. Okay, next we have the return component. Okay, where we have mapping the data with the card, we sending the key, title, price, description, and the image, And here we are showing that the if the data dot length is greater than 0, then loading more data. And if there is a no, the data length is not there, is loading is not true and has more data is not true, then we will showing that the no more data available. Okay, and this is the reference. Okay, so when we have a scroll, right? And that's it. Then we have export default app. For doing this part, you are able to do the infinite scrolling into your React application using the React intersection observer. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice